Okay, my dear students, welcome my dear student. Exercise 8.4, question number 3. If u of x comma y comma z equal to x square plus y square by xy plus 3z square y, okay, then find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. So we need to differentiate with respect to x, y, z. Okay, I am simplifying the given one. The first it is separated into two terms. X square by xy, x cancel, we are getting x by y square by xy is y by x. Okay, now we can differentiate dou u by dou x. So with respect to x means imagine y and z as constant. Okay, so 1 by y is a constant, differentiation of x is 1. Okay, plus 1 by y plus y is a constant, differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. Again, differentiation means n into x power n minus 1. So x power minus 2, it can be written as minus 1 by x square. I am writing directly. Okay, and the whole value is a constant. The differentiation is 0. Okay, so we are getting 1 by y minus y by x square. Or if you want, you can take the LCM. So x square minus y square by x square y. Okay, next with respect to y, imagine x and z as constant. Okay, so x is a constant, 1 by y differentiation minus 1 by y square plus 1 by x is a constant, differentiation of y is 1 and 3z square is a constant, differentiation of z is 1. Okay, so here if you want, you can take the LCM. What we are getting minus x square plus y square by xy square plus 3z square. Okay, and dou u by dou z, differentiating with respect to z, that means imagine x and y as constant. So first one differentiation 0, second one differentiation 0, third one 3y is a constant, differentiation of z square 2z, so 6yz. That is the value of dou u by dou z. Number 4 in the exercise 8.4, u of x comma y comma z is given as log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Find dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Okay, so we can find out separately. With respect to x means imagine y and z as constant. Imagine it is x, log x differentiation 1 by x. So 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube. With respect to x, so differentiation of x cube 3x square and y and z as constant, so differentiation is 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y equal to 3y square by x cube plus y cube plus z cube and dou u by dou z is equal to 3z square by x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Function of function rule. First log 1 by x, then remaining differentiation. Now the sum of the three, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. Sum of the three, the same denominator, so we can sum up the numerator. Okay, and also 3 is common. So x square 3 into x square plus y square plus z square by x cube plus y cube plus z cube. It is very simple problem. Question number 5 in the exercise 8.4. For each of the following functions, find g of x, g of xy, g of xx, g of yx and g of yy. Okay, the first subdivision is g of x comma y is given as x into e power y plus 3x square y. So first with respect to x, g of x, okay, imagine y as constant. So e power y is a constant, differentiation of x 1. Okay, and here 3y is a constant, differentiation of x square 2x. So 3y into 2x. So e power y plus 6xy. So we are getting g of x as e power e power y plus 6xy. And g of y means with respect to y, imagine x as constant. So x is a constant, e power y differentiation the same e power y. And plus 3x square is a constant, differentiation of y 1. Okay, my dear student, Next, g of xy means first with respect to x. Imagine like a q, who is standing first? Y. So with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay. So again differentiate this one with respect to x. Okay. So imagine y as constant. E of y, differentiation of x 1 and differentiation of x square 2x. So 2 into 3 6x. So e power y 6x. And next e of yx na first with respect to x, then with respect to y. So differentiate this one with respect to y. So e power y differentiation e power y. Okay, 6x is a constant, differentiation of y 1. Okay, and g of xx first with respect to x, again with respect to x. So differentiate this one with respect to x. Okay, e power y is a constant, differentiation 0 plus 6y is a constant, differentiation of x 1. So 6y is the answer. Okay, and next one g of y first with respect to y, again with respect to y. So x is a constant, e power y differentiation e power y, and 3x square is a constant, differentiation 0. So these are the values asked in the question. G of xy is e power y plus 6y. G of yx is also the same, e power y plus 6x, and g of xx is 6y, and g of yy is x into e power y. Second subdivision, our aim is to again find out g of xy, g of yx, g of xx and g of yy. The subdivision question is g of x comma y is log of ix plus 3y. So again with respect to x, imagine y as constant, log differentiation 1 by x, so 1 by 5x plus 3y. Okay, again inner function differentiation, 5 is a constant, differentiation of x1, so into 5. Okay, so plus 3y differentiation 0, so we can write it directly 5 divided by 5x plus 3y. Similarly here we are getting first 1 by 5x plus 3y. Again with respect to y means imagine x as constant, differentiation 0, and here we are getting 3. So g of y is 3 by 5x plus 3y. Okay, again g of xy means first y then x. So now differentiate this one with respect to x. So it can be written as 3 into 5x plus 3y whole power minus 1. So apply n into x power n minus 1 formula. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3, okay, into 5x plus 3y whole power minus 2 into the differentiation of the inner with respect to x, imagine y as constant. Okay, so 5 0. So we are getting so now move the minus 3 into, okay, so minus 3 into 5. So what we are getting? Minus 15 divided by, move this one to the denominator, 5x plus 3y the whole square. Okay, so again with respect to y, okay, the same thing we are getting. Y means first y again y. So minus 3 into 5x plus 3y whole power minus 2 with respect to y, imagine x as constant, so we are getting 3. So minus 9 by 5x plus 3y the whole square. Okay, again here the same formula we can apply here. So what we are getting here, it can be written as 5 into 5x plus 3y the whole power minus 1. So minus 5 into 5x plus 3y whole power minus 2 with respect to y, imagine x as constant, yx means second with respect to y, so 5x 0 into 3. So we are getting minus 15 by 5x plus 3y the whole square. Okay, again here first with respect to x, again with respect to x. Okay, so what we are getting? Minus 5 into 5x plus 3y whole power minus 2 with respect to x, so into 5. So minus 25 by 5x plus 3y the whole square. So that's all, my dear student. Subdivision 3, question number 5 in the exercise 8.4. G of xy is given as x square plus 3xy minus 7y plus cos of 5x. Again we need to find out the same things. First with respect to x, imagine y as constant. So x square differentiation 2x, 3y is a constant, differentiation of x1, y is a constant, the whole thing 0. Okay, differentiation of cos ax is minus a sin ax. Here a is 5. Differentiation of cos ax is minus a sin ax. Okay, so we are getting minus 5 sin 5x. So this is g of x. G of yx means first with respect to x, next with respect to y. So with respect to y means imagine x as constant. So 2x differentiation 0, 3 differentiation of y is 1, and the whole thing is constant, the differentiation 0. Okay, so we are getting 3. Xx means again with respect to x. So differentiation of x is 1 and the whole thing is 0. So minus 5 into differentiation of sin ax, a into cos ax. Okay, so 2 minus 25 cos 5x, that is g of xx. Okay, again with respect to y, imagine x as constant. So differentiation 0, 3x is a constant, differentiation of y 1. Okay, and minus 7 differentiation of y 1, cos 5 is a constant 0. So 3x minus 7. Okay, g of xy, first with respect to y, again with respect to x. So 3 into x differentiation 1, it is a constant, differentiation 0. G of yy means again with respect to y. So both are constant, differentiation 0. So these are the answers. Question number 6 in the exercise 8.4. The question is, if w of x comma y comma z equal to 1 by square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and x comma y comma z not equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0, so that dou square w by dou x square plus dou square w by dou y square plus dou square w by dou z square equal to 0. Okay, so the given function can be written as square root means power 1 by 2. If we move this one to the numerator means it becomes power minus 1 by 2. So keep this one. So now with respect to x, imagine y and z as constant. First apply the formula n into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 3 by 2. N into x power n minus 1. N minus 1 becomes minus 3 by 2. Again function of function rule. Inner function. X square differentiation 2x with respect to x. Y square z square 0. Okay. We can cancel this 2. So minus x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2. This is dou w by dou x. My dear student, if you find out dou square w by dou x square, we can write the remaining 2, dou square w by dou y square and dou square w by dou z square in the cyclic order. We can get it easily. Okay. So here it is a product of 2. Okay. We can find out, first keep x as constant. Again the difference here, the second one. So again n into x power. So minus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. So minus 5 by 2. Okay. N into x power n minus 1. Again x square differentiation 2x y square z square 0. My dear student, we are applying two things. First thing, product rule. Take it as u and this as v. uv the whole dash equal to uv dash plus vu dash. In the meantime, we are applying function of function rule. Okay. So plus keep x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2. Okay. As constant. Differentiation of minus x, that is minus 1. Okay. So again this 2 cancel. Minus into minus becomes plus 3 x into x square. If we move this one to the denominator, it becomes plus x square plus y square plus z square the whole power 5 by 2. Okay. And minus 1 by x square plus y square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. So to take the LCM, make the denominator as same. So we have to multiply and divide by x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So if we multiply in the numerator, it becomes power plus 1. Okay. So 3x square minus x square minus y square minus z square by x square plus y square plus z square whole power 5 by 2. So what we are getting? 2x square minus y square minus z square by x square plus y square plus z square whole power 5 by 2. Okay. So we are getting dou square w by dou x square equal to this one. Similarly, my dear student, no need to write that. We can write it in the cyclic order. Dou square w by dou y square can be written as, instead of this one you can write y. So 2y square minus z square minus x square, cyclic order. Okay. So x square plus y square plus z square whole power 5 by 2. Dou square w by dou z square means again cyclic order. 2z square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square plus z square the whole power 5 by 2. Now sum of all the three, dou square w by dou x square plus dou square w by dou y square plus dou square w by dou z square equal to the same denominator x square plus y square plus z square the whole power 5 by 2. Look at here, in the numerator we have to all the things, 2x square, 2y square, 2z square. In the meantime, minus x square minus 2x square minus y square minus 2y square and minus 2z square. So the numerator becomes 0. So the answer is 0.